Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios, and I want to give a huge shout out to this amazing anti-theft backpack. You guys, as we start hopefully being able to travel more safely, this is an amazing purchase to pick up. It's going to be a backpack that is specifically designed for travel to be anti-theft. You guys will notice that on the outside, you don't have a lot of pockets and zippers. They are all hidden. So that way, someone can't pickpocket you. They can't get into your zippers. All of these compartments are going to be hidden. So it's going to make it a little bit harder for someone to, grab your passport, grab your phone, grab whatever out of the back of your backpack when you're traveling. It's also going to be cut proof. There's a lot of layers of this backpack. And, that's also going to help it be kind of weatherproof as well, and also shock resistant. So if you do have your electronics, your laptop, your tablets inside, they're going to be safer as well. This is all around a really cool backpack for travel. It's large capacity. It can fit larger laptops, larger tablets, and from where you open it, it has three adjusting angles for the opening. So depending on what you need, you can open it all the way up or just a little bit. And it's just going to be really convenient in your travels. It's also a very comfortable backpack. There are reflective strips on the outside, so if you are wearing it somewhere at night, there's just that added safety measure that cars are going to be able to see you when you are going by. And probably the coolest feature, I am always running on empty battery with my cell phone, my laptop, everything. This has a built-in power bank and USB charging port. So especially if you are having one of those long days of travel and you can't get to a charger, you are going to have a charger in your backpack with you all the time. So this is, just an amazing, if you're in the market for a new carry-on, new backpack for travel, whatever, this is just the top pick. It's going to be amazing for you. Charger, anti-theft, super safe. It's everything that you could want. Go ahead and put this in your cart and safe travels.